Good day, and today I'll show you all the keyboard shortcuts you need to know in Photoshop. Let's open Photoshop. We have our first layer and we want to duplicate it. So press Ctrl+J. We have got a copy of the background layer. You can also use this shortcut after selecting a part of the photo with the lasso tool. Now press Ctrl+J. We copied the selected area onto a new layer. You can also use Shift+Ctrl+J to cut the selected area onto a new layer. If you selected an area but no longer needed it, press Ctrl+D to deselect. Next, let's create a new empty layer. Press Shift+Ctrl+N. You can use this layer however you like, such as enlarging it. Press Z and then B to draw something. To change the brush size, use the square bracket on the keyboard or press Alt and right mouse button and move mouse to zoom. To fit the photo on the screen, press Ctrl+0. Now let's merge all layers. Press Ctrl, selected them and press Ctrl+E. Now all layers are merged into one. To undo change, press Ctrl+Z. To copy a layer and move it to another project, press Ctrl+C, go to other project and press Ctrl+V. That's how you copy a layer to another project. Next, let's transform an area. Select the lasso tool, press Ctrl+T. Here you can transform like this. Next, add an adjustment layer, edit it, and if you want to select just the lips, press Ctrl+I to invert the mask. Then, on this mask, use a white brush, press X to switch colors, to paint only the lips. Done. Now select all layers. With the mouse, select the bottom layer, hold Shift and click the top layer. Everything is selected. Now press Ctrl+G. You created a group of layers. Selected this group allows you to merge it with Ctrl+E. Holding Shift+Ctrl+X takes you to the Liquify tool, where you can edit hair volume, body lines, and clothing using various elements. Exit. Save the project in a PSD file with Ctrl+S and save the photo as a JPEG with Alt-Ctrl+S. This will be a copy. This was all the standard keyboard shortcut in Photoshop you should know for editing photos. For more detail, check the Edit section at the bottom. Keyboard shortcut. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Have a great day.